expanding the subway line in Beijing, a nuisance to pedestrians and traffic, but great for the economy. It means employed workers, and the building blocks here drive the market for raw materials. With projects like these across China, the government claims the country's already seeing signs of recovery.
China's stimulus plan, along with the U.S. plan, is one of the largest in the world. And according to the government, much of that money has been allocated for infrastructure projects.
6 months in, is it possible to assess the success of the plan?
I think it's working, particularly when you look at the investment numbers. Fixed asset investment has soared in the first 2 months, 26.5%, and that's a very strong number.
China's stimulus plan is coupled with an advantage many other countries don't have. Its economy is driven very much by the state. The government can control bank lending, investment spending, and many of the largest companies listed on the stock exchange are actually state-owned.
Most of the investment has come from central government-sponsored projects in different Chinese regions. And I think that has explained a big part of this investment boom in the first quarter.
Beyond the control of the government, people's willingness to shop. But even here, the numbers look pretty promising. Car sales, for example, hit a record last month, and in some parts of the country, even real estate is making a modest comeback. The biggest problem continues to be exports. China is known as the world's factory, but when the rest of the world isn't buying, the economy here must look elsewhere for growth. China's first quarter GDP number is lower than last quarter's. On the upside, it's still doing better than any other major world economy. And that's what the leadership here has been emphasizing. Still, government claims the stimulus is working may be premature given this latest figure. So the question now is whether China can keep the momentum going, even if the stimulus is working. How far can the money go until it runs out? And when it does, will the country need a second stimulus plan? That's not out of the question. Melissa Chan, Al Jazeera, Beijing.